Welcome to Italy, a timeless land of art, architecture, romance, and culture. From ancient cities and medieval towns to coastal villages and alpine peaks, join us as we explore the top tourist attractions in Italy you won't want to miss.
A true icon of the ancient world, the Colosseum in Rome once hosted gladiator battles for tens of thousands of spectators. Step inside history as you explore one of Italy's most visited landmarks.
Drift through canals and under historic bridges in the romantic city of Venice. Gondolas, Renaissance palaces, and the famous Rialto Bridge make it a magical destination.
In the heart of Tuscany lies Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. Admire the magnificent Duomo, stroll across the Ponte Vecchio, and explore world-class art at the Uffizi Gallery. Next to the Colosseum is the Roman Forum, where Roman civilization once flourished. Palaces, temples, and ancient arches tell stories from 2,000 years ago. Dramatic cliffs, winding roads, and turquoise waters make the Amalfi Coast one of the world's most scenic drives. Stop by Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello for unforgettable views. Nature lovers will find paradise in the Dolomites, Italy's most dramatic mountain range. Perfect for hiking in summer and skiing in winter, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
The smallest country in the world holds some of the grandest treasures. Visit St. Peter's Basilica, Sistine Chapel, and the Vatican Museums to witness the genius of Michelangelo and Bernini. Perched on rugged cliffs above the Ligurian Sea, the 5 villages of Cinque Terre are as photogenic as they are peaceful. Hike the trail or take the train between the towns. Buried by volcanic ash in 79 AD, Pompeii offers an eerie and fascinating glimpse into daily life in ancient Rome. Walk the preserved streets and explore ancient villas. Milan is Italy's fashion and financial capital, but it's also home to the stunning Duomo di Milano, world-class shopping in Galleria Vittorio Emanuele, and Leonardo's Last Supper. Medieval charm fills the streets of Siena, home to the Palio horse race, and stunning Piazza del Campo. It's like stepping back in time.
Sardinia is home to Italy's best beaches, crystal clear waters, and ancient Nuraghi stone towers. Perfect for a relaxing island escape.
Rolling hills, golden fields, and medieval towns define Tuscany. Visit San Gimignano, enjoy Chianti wine tastings, and take in postcard-worthy landscapes. Medieval charm fills the streets of Siena, home to the Palio horse race, and stunning Piazza del Campo. It's like stepping back in time.